As Ohio moves toward a plan to reopen our economy, we've now seen the highest increase in coronavirus cases in our state for the third straight day. 693 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours. Cuyahoga County continues to have more cases than any other county in the state. So are we ready to reopen on May 1st? 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll took that question to county health officials today.
Here at the Cuyahoga County Board of Health, officials say they're working with the state, letting them know what's happening on the ground here. And what they say is COVID-19 keeps spreading and people keep dying. Health officials stress life will not return to normal on May 1st, despite plans to begin easing some restrictions put in place to fight the spread of coronavirus.
Just because the weather gets warm doesn't mean that we need to do away with this new normal. It means as we stand back up components of society that we need to double down on these changes.
Cuyahoga County's health commissioner says that includes wearing masks in public, maintaining social distance, and avoiding gathering in groups, as COVID-19 continues infecting more people in the county with the most cases in Ohio.
This is a long-term proposition for all of us. This is a marathon, not a sprint.
So is May 1st too soon to begin easing restrictions here? We asked the county's medical director.
But I'm articulating to you today that I'm still seeing transmission, our team still sees transmission, and our team still sees people who are ill.
We asked again.
Are you concerned that May 1st is too early?
It's hard to set a date on these things.
The Board of Health says that's because they're working with the state, trying to determine what kinds of interactions will be safe.
We need to be creative about how we understand the safest way to conduct business. And so we will follow the governor's playbook and Dr. Acton's playbook. It has served us well.
If one thing was obvious, it's that a lot will have to be sorted out in the next 2 weeks to determine what's the safest time to begin reopening Cuyahoga County.
I don't know what the best answer is on a date. We're going to do the best we can to assure that they're reduced. We continue to work here to reduce cases and the potential risk in the community.
One thing we do know is the county executive says he has a team in place studying the best way to reopen government operations. He says when that starts, it will look different, including people working remotely and continuing to buy protective equipment, hoping to limit the spread of COVID-19. In Parma, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.